practice. You practice getting your head up. You're a strong boy already. But you always think it's nap time when you go in your tummy, huh? Yeah. Can you lift your head up again? You're doing so good. You're gonna find that thumb. Can you get up? Oh yeah, tickle your back, that makes you get up. Good job, buddy. Good job. Yeah, tell me about it, Stud. Hey, over here. You're away from the camera. Lift up again. Such hard work trying to have tummy time. Okay, we'll try again later, Bubba. I know you're tired. Say bye.